Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm go ahead to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is a commercial countertop stylings, the seasoning toppings, and you can use it for any like a drink stuff to put the topping on side or any sauce or seasoning stuff inside. So let me give the overall dimensions first. This one about like a 26 inches in the length. And the depth about like a 15.5 inches. And the overall height is about like a 10 inches tall. So we can see the total have 8 containers on top of the units. And for each of the containers, the manufacturer offered the lids and the spoons with it. So when we opened it, we can feel that this one all made by stainless steels. And for this container space, let me give the measurements. It's about like a 6.5 inches wide and 7 inches long. And the depth of the unit is about like 6 inches. And also when we look in the inside of this countertop units, we can see they have some space. You can drop in some ice inside to keep the temperatures. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.